Okay, this ice machine is literally being held together by duct tape. A broken tit on the cover. So, something, we gotta check this out, see what's going on. Okay, we're going old school here. My old Milwaukee. The old Magnum hole shooter. What's the model number on this thing? 1/2 inch. I guess it would be the model would be a hole shooter. Serial number 532B49B or 498062918. I wonder if anybody knows what that serial number would be in what year. I would say 5 of 1932. Pretty close. It'd be somewhere in probably the 80s. So if there's maybe 49th week of 1980. That might be it. That sounds right. That would be it. There we go. 5.5 amps. Ooh, old school. Left my drill on another job, so gotta go for the old school. Okay, so this is my idea. I'm gonna use one of these screws and go through this way on the cover, because you can't do a bolt because that's got to go flush up against the surface inside. And there's the little worn out tit on this side. Worn out titty. I'm gonna turn the light on this one. Okay, so hopefully you can see that, but yeah, definitely time for a new cover. That is pretty freaking worn. Definitely not. Look at the base here on this side. How this is the same length as the base, and this is worn all the way up. It should be like out to here. Wow, that's worn. This thing is throwing covers. So anyways, I think it's because one of these edges is hitting the water trough because it's so worn out, and it's catching in harvest and flipping the tray out, flipping the cover off, and then it flipped it off and busted it, I guess, or something. I don't know what he said, but anyway, they did pretty good on the hole, I think, centering. Not 100% perfect, a little bit to the right, but went old school with the drill right here, and like that. But I went little drill bits. You know, I started at my little drill bit way pretty small, second to the end, I think, and then just went up each side because this stuff is fragile. So I think this should be about ready to where I could use the self-threading part on that. I think I'm going to do one more drill bit though, one more size up, because I don't want to crack and blow this thing. If I screw this up, he's without ice till we get another cover. So anyways, so yeah, I'm gonna go, I think, one more drill bit. I'll have to look. Anyways, we'll see. I'll let you guys know. Well, last drill bit I used was at 1/8 of an inch. I think that's what it is. Yeah. So I didn't go up another size. I just hand did it with a long nut driver, and just was very gentle. and it's screwed in. It's tight, snug as a bug, that's for sure. Almost, you know, if you're not careful, I backed it out once or twice, just to, you know, make it a teeny bit looser, but it's real snug. Let's see if it works. Let's see. Hopefully. We shall see. Because we can be sticking out as far as we want over here, I noticed. So, and we do need like about a 1/4 inch to be hanging on there. So hopefully this is just for, you know, a week or less to get the thing UPS down here. Okay, let's give it a shot. Okay, so I think the cover is gonna go. I tried it once. It goes. You see if it'll go in. It goes in. So it goes in. Enters. Yeah, it's kind of cool. I mean, I wish it was round and smooth and didn't have threads so it'll eat into the, you know, the plastic or whatever, but I think that's the least of his worries in this old machine. Do a full cleaning. Jesus Christ. We got spiders growing in the thing. We got freaking spider webs in there. Man, I need to do a full cleaning on this thing when I get the new cover. That's for sure. Holy smokes. Holy Christ. I had to clean this thing like, I don't know, wasn't that long ago. This thing usually never gets messed up. But anyways, that looks like it'll work. Yeah, so let's give it a shot. Let me take the rest of the duct tape off up here. This guy went full Mickey. He went full Mickey. Mickey Mouse. Oh man. If it works though, hey, if it works. It's got ice, obviously it did something. But it definitely wasn't working when I got here because it was hanging off. He put a piece of tape across it like that, and you know that's not going to rotate unless you put a cut in the tape or something and do a half tape on it and that sort of thing. So anyways, it's an old dog. 2007, it's 2023, so go do the math on that one. Okay, God. Yeah, all right. I'll tell him to clean it as much as he can so he saves as much money as he can, and then I'll do the rest. I'm gonna need some sideways brushes. You guys got any, what do you do for the ends that are, whoosh, gonna have to turn a brush sideways, and oh man, gonna be fun. Going to be fun. Alright, anyway, so let's start this thing up. Okay, we're going, we're made. Nice fans going. Alright, let's see if it makes a cycle. See if it blows the cover off. Alright. Darn it, I should have got it on. I must be tired. Sorry, I meant to get that on video. It dropped. It worked. 15-minute harvest and 1 minute and 1 second on the 15-minute freeze and 1 minute and 1 second on the harvest. So strong compressor still, 1 minute harvest. Room is 82 degrees. So yeah, so it works. Cool. All right, let's get a new cover ordered. I put a screw in the cover here. I'll have to show you here, but put a screw in the cover here to make a pin. So it seems to work good now. So I'll get a new cover ordered because this pin is really bad on this side. it is really gone. So get your new cover ordered, and hopefully, and this thing needs cleaned bad. You need to clean this thing as much as possible if you could, and then I'll take it from what you can't get, but save you some money. Clean it as much as you can. You can scrub that with the green pad, you know, the plastic you can scrub with the green pad, and the metal you can scrub with the green pad and everything. Just be careful around the plastic parts. You can scrub them a little bit with the green pad too, but just be careful with stuff, and I'll just do it all when I get a new cover. Okay, talk to you. Bye.